Before starting, I would like to give my honest condolences to the 27,000 victims of the COVID-19 pandemic in our country. My beloved compatriots, our nation suffers from a virus that has extended throughout the entire territory, from ordinary citizens to representative figures. All are infected. In 3 months, our country has become the first country with the highest mortality rate in the world, reaching 10% in only 3 months. In the process, Spain contains the highest number of infected sanitaries, the highest number of cases per million per person, and the highest country with the highest mortality. As a consequence, our sanitary department became one of the most affected departments in our nation due to the late and negligent measures taken by Pedro Sanchez and his ministers, Fernando Simón and Salvador Illa. The World Health Organization created a list of preventive measures to prepare the citizenship, but especially our sanitaries. Firstly, a purchase of masks and sanitary equipment to our doctors, citizens, as well as police officers, the military, and the personnel that would stand in the front line as a means of containing and saving lives. The second, a purchase of PCR tests to the entire population as a means of identifying positive diagnostics and negative diagnostics. The positive patients should have applied confinement of 15 days minimum. Thirdly, the closing of borders and restriction of international flights as a means of intercepting the epicenter of the epidemic, China. Finally, the cancellation of protests, sport events, and high concentrations of people that were celebrated in Madrid in March 8th, 2020. Women protests. One of our experts, Dr. Martinez Gonzalez, asked for a realization of PCR tests to our infected sanitaries as means of impeding direct contact with other patients. As well, the community of Madrid should have chosen an earlier date, like the ending of January, as a means of preventing and containing coronavirus in an earlier date, like endings of January. As well, the community of Madrid should have canceled all sporting events, all protests, and any high concentrations of people, regulating the rate of contagion. As well, the World Health Organization suggested PCR tests to all sanitaries infected as a means of impeding direct contact with other patients. From this tribune, I would like to express my gratitude to all sanitaries, police officers, elite troops, and all the workers in the front line risking their lives for others. Our country will prevail. Our country will succeed fighting against coronavirus. Even though Spain is the 5th country in the world with the highest cases by coronavirus, let me tell you that Spain will prevail. Thank you very much.